In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Notion calendar with Google Calendar, a handy way to keep all your events and tasks synchronized across platforms. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser and navigate to your Notion account. Once you're logged in, head over to your calendar page within Notion. This is where you'll set the foundation for integrating Notion with Google Calendar, allowing you to sync all your important events and updates without missing a beat. Next, click on Settings and Members in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a wealth of options to customize your Notion experience, but today, we're going to focus on the Integrations section. This step is crucial because it's where you'll generate an API key. An API key is like a digital handshake, allowing different applications to communicate and exchange data securely. Don't worry, there's no need to memorize this key. Just make sure to copy it as you'll need it for the next steps. Once you have your API key, it's time to turn to a third-party tool. For this process, I recommend using Zapier or Automate.io. Both of these platforms offer user-friendly interfaces to create automated workflows or zaps that connect different applications, helping you automate mundane tasks efficiently. You can choose whichever tool you prefer, as both accomplish this task effectively. After you've set up an account on Zapier or Automate.io, proceed to create a new Zap or automated workflow. You will want to set Notion as the trigger app, and under that selection, specify the calendar in your Notion account that you want to sync. Use the API key you copied earlier to authorize your Notion account through the platform. With Notion as your trigger, it means that any updates or events added to your Notion calendar will now initiate the automated process. Now, you'll need to connect Google Calendar as your action app. This action app is what responds when your trigger event in Notion occurs. Here, you'll authorize your Google account, ensuring that events from Notion will seamlessly transition into Google Calendar. This step links the two platforms, effectively closing the loop. Finally, configure the specific settings for syncing. These settings range from syncing all events and updates between platforms to detailing how information appears on your Google Calendar, ensuring any changes, deletions, or additions are captured in real time. It's truly an effortless way to keep all necessary information at your fingertips. Once you've set everything up, sit back and watch as your Notion and Google Calendars sync effortlessly, freeing you up to focus on the important stuff. Embrace the ease of automation, knowing that your planning and scheduling efforts now have an efficient new ally. Make sure to test everything out by adding a test event to see the magic in action. Enjoy your newly streamlined workflow, and happy organizing.